Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how can we grow Mayadu or Malabar spinach in our kitchen garden. Now why Mayadu vegetable for the kitchen garden? So first of all, it is a very easily grown vegetable, easy to maintain, and it gives a good harvest if you give it a good food. So by food I mean just put fertilizer or whatever compost, whatever we are making at home, just homemade fertilizers, and it grows really well in the planters, and it is a vein, so it just climbs, so it takes lesser space. Plus, if you look at the health benefits, it's really wonderful. You can search in the net, but I'm just telling you. So, it is very rich in iron. It is very good. It has a very good content of B6, B12. It is very fibrous, so it also helps you in constipation. So, if you are having constipation, this vegetable is going to help you a lot. See, it's a vein. It can you just need to give it a support and it grows. It has a very luscious green leaves. It's just wonderful and tastes really good. So spinach is little difficult to maintain, but this you can grow easily. It is a very good substitute for spinach. Now there are two ways of growing this Malabar spinach in your planter. One way is you can buy seeds. You can get the seeds easily on any online shop or any gardener shop. And then you sow the seed the way we normally sow the seeds in our planters, and you will get the Mayadu plant. Otherwise, when you are buying it as a vegetable from any market, you can use the stem of this vegetable to plant it in your planter. Now that method I'll be showing you today, and we'll see how we can use the stems and grow Mayadu veggie in our kitchen garden. Now let's see how we can grow a stem. Now this I have cut a stem. Now whenever you get the vegetable from market, the bunch for cooking, you can just take out any stem and use a stem which has 2-3 nodes like this. See, this is a node, okay? Now you have to cut near the node at an angle of 45 degrees like I have done. See, I have cut just near the node so that the water locking doesn't occur when we actually bury that in the soil. See, this is the node. So from here, so node means the part of the plant from which the leaves come out. Okay, this is called as a node. See, now I have cut it at an angle of 45 degrees. Like this you have to do, so that when you bury in the soil, the water doesn't stay in the stem for a longer time and it doesn't start decomposing. That you have to take care. Okay, now we'll see how we can put this in the planter. You just have to take any planter. Now I already have one planter which I have saved for my Mayadu. You can, if you don't have a planter ready, you can, for the time being, you can put it in any planter. Just make a hole and insert this at an angle of 90 degree. Just fix the soil so that it stands properly, and then we can water it. Nicely fix it. It shouldn't fall down. You can remove all the leaves of the stem. Now I have not removed because my stem is really fresh. I've just cut it from my plant itself, so I'm not removing it. It can stay alive. But for you better remove all the leaves and just put a stem like this, the other one I have done. Okay, now you can just water it and wait and watch. See, these are my other plants. You can see this has come out from the root, the plant which was there in the planter. Sometimes it just comes out from the root. Now see, here you can see the small leaf coming out. This is the node. So from the node you can get the leaf. Here from the node you are getting a branch. So it is very important to have a 3-4 nodes when you are selecting a stem for planting the Mayadu plant. See, like this you will get the, now select a thicker stem like this. So more thick the stem is, more chances of it surviving, because then it will have a lot of fluids inside and it can stay fresh for a longer time and it can start regrowing its. Now this is my today's harvest and I'm going to cook this nicely. See, it's so fresh. If you want to see how I cook my veggie, you can take a look at the below link which I have given in the description box. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep growing.